Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make audio fade in or fade out in Davinci Resolve. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To make audio fade in or fade out, first make sure you're in the Edit tab at the bottom and that you have your audio clip inserted into the timeline. All you should need to do is click and drag the white marker in either the top left or top right of the clip into the clip to add a fade. Use the marker at the beginning of the video to fade in a clip, or use the one at the end to fade out. The more you drag it into the clip, the longer your fade will be. You can also add a fade from the Effects tab on the left. If you don't see it, click on the Effects icon in the menu bar in the top left. It is the icon with the magic wand. In the Effects window, click on Audio Transitions and then choose Crossfade +3 for a fade in or Crossfade -3 for a fade out. Drag and drop these at the beginning or end of the clip for either the fade in or out. To adjust the settings for the fade, click on it and then go to the Inspector tab in the top right. You are now able to change things like the speed or duration of the transition and more. And so that is how to make audio fade in or fade out in Davinci Resolve. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your Windows PC. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.